Most houses and buildings are made with lots of bricks. The bricks are built into walls that hold up the roof and keep out the rain and wind, helping us to stay warm and safe. They have to be very strong and last a long time.
But do you know how bricks are made? Let's go and find out.
How is it made?
A brick.
Well, to make a brick, you have to start off in a place like this. It's called a quarry.
A quarry is a place where we dig in the ground for things like rock or sand. This digger is digging for something used to make bricks. Clay.
This is clay. It's found underground and it's full of water, which makes it all squishy. Just listen to the sound. All squelchy and soft. Clay can be squished into all sorts of shapes and it's used to make lots of different things. Clay makes dinner plates, plant pots. You might have even used clay yourself. Look, I've turned some clay into a little man. As well as clay, bricks are made from this, sand. Sand is really strong and is made from rocks that are crushed into tiny, tiny bits. Now, if you've ever built a sandcastle, then you'll know just how good sand is for building things. The sand is mixed with the clay and these tiny black things. Do you know what this is? It's called coal. Coal is made from trees and plants that died millions of years ago, and over time it's turned black, and now it's more like a rock than plants. Isn't that amazing? Now let's go see how the clay, the sand and the coal are all mixed together. Come and look. Sand and coal is being mixed inside this huge drum, but I want to get a closer look. Luckily, I've got my special camera with me on a long pole, so we can get right inside the mixer and see what's going on. Wow, that's brilliant! 2 big wheels inside the drum spinning round to really crush up the sand, the clay and the coal, to mix it together.